Thank you for joining me today. This video is very long overdue. Back in 2017, I started to become extremely obsessed with creating expert advisors. And what started out as just a simple little open-end trade with a stochastic turned into something that has literally thousands of different settings. What we call now EA Monster, the expert advisor we're about to take a look at today that is in the market for Metatrader. Let's get to it. And so first of all, what I'm going to show you today is exactly how to optimize this expert advisor for maximum profit. And what we're going to do today is show you first how to set up the settings. If you look here, in your strategy tester, you'll see I have GBP USD. I have use date 2015 from January 4th to 2018, April 21st. And the key thing here is we're using not every tick, not control points. We're using open prices only. I know they say that it's not accurate, but with this expert advisor, it's very accurate because I designed it for a lot of these strategies to open trades and close trades when a new candle is formed. I'll give you an example right here. If you look at this screen here, I have the GBP USD template. I have no candles on there just so you can see the lines. But when these lines cross, right now it's a reverse trade. So basically, if you look at this yellow line here, when this yellow line crosses the purple line, it literally puts in not a sell trade but a buy trade because I reversed it. And after the candle closes and this yellow line is past this line, then it will put in the buy order. It won't put it in as the line is moving through. So it's great for using open prices only. And also the stochastic down here, the yellow, when it crosses this 30 line and a candle has finished and a new one is just forming, boom, it'll start opening a trade. And just like this red line here in stochastic, it hits this 70. If it goes over the 70 and a candle has just started, it will close the trade. So it will cause this to be extremely accurate if we use open prices only. Not only that, it's going to show, you'll see in a minute here, just how quick this method is in optimizing your EA. So we got 2015 January 4th to April 21st 2018. We have a period daily. We have the spread set at 30 points here because in the expert properties here I have the spread filter for this set to 31 points. So we don't go over 3 pips. You don't want to go too much. I mean, you can probably do this at 51 points and put this at 50 because it's a long-term trading, but I'm going to put it at 3 pips because I like trading 3 pips or less on a spread. And we're going to click optimize here. We're going to do something really simple here, and that's it. Get ready to go. Make sure visual mode is not checked off. We're going to click start, and we're going to watch it optimize now. And what I do is I actually sort this as it's optimizing. If you notice how quickly it's going to be optimizing right now, it's already up 244, and we're going to already see 311,000 profit here. Profit factor 2.49. Drawdown not too bad at 23% for a daily strategy. Not bad. I don't like 45. I don't like 34. You can even sort it by drawdown too. If you look here, you have 100,000. Remember now, this strategy started out January of 2015, and I have the balance set at $50,000, okay? $50,000. So when you see here $100,000 profit, that's $100,000 profit, so 50,000 became 150,000. Anyway, so it says here 14% drawdown, not bad at all, really good. 16 profit factor. And then it's still going. You'll see what happens now. We keep clicking profit. Now we're up to $797,000 profit and a 4.02 profit factor with 37% drawdown. That's pretty high. There will be a dip every now and then. That's going to come down and and that's literally 37% of your balance. So it's kind of scary. I don't like it that high. So let's keep seeing it. Let's keep watching it. See what happens here. It's still 25% done. Still got a little ways to go here, but if you see, it's really moving quickly. Now we're over $1 million in profit right now, and with a 2.3 profit factor, 44% drawdown is very high. I don't like that at all. So we're going to keep watching this thing, and if you notice, it's clicking away. It's clicking away. And don't worry, also, I'm going to be providing you with the optimization set file that you can do this on your own for any pair you like. You can even do this on the H4 time frame. H1, yeah, you can do it. It's going to take a while. It will do it. I recommend maybe do it H1 for the previous year. It'll do a lot faster. So here we go. Let's click profit here. We're up to $1.3 million. Now the drawdown is dropping down to 28%. I like that better. That looks good. 5.14 profit factor. Let's keep watching this. It's almost done. $1.6 million. 48% drawdown. I don't like that. I would actually go with the 1.3 million with a 28% drawdown, because I just don't like having to have half my balance wiped out. All right, well, it looks like it just completed here, the whole thing, just optimized for over 3 years of data, and we're going to sort that. And now I'm going to scroll up here to see what happens to get the very best optimizations. $1.7 million. I don't like it. And so if you look here, all these are good, but I don't like the drawdown. So we're going to go down, choose the lowest drawdown with the highest profit. Okay, 1.7 million with a lot of drawdown, don't like it. But we got $1.5 million here from a $50,000 account 3 years ago. That's not too shabby. I'll take it. I'll take a 1.5 million, wouldn't you, for 3 years of trading? It's only 28% drawdown. Yes, that's pretty high, but if you had jumped into the market and built up hundreds of thousands of dollars in profit with your $50,000 account, and it bounced back 28%, you know, you're still way ahead. But as you'll see now, we're going to go ahead and double click on this now. It's going to load, and what we're going to do now is click on visual mode, and we're going to load this template here. And I'm going to go in here, I'm going to load that template, and we're going to watch this. And we're going to watch it how it trades. I'm going to also select on graph here. And then after you're done optimizing and you do this, always load it and watch it trade to see if it's for you. Maybe you won't like the fact that the way it trades. But if you look here, you'll see this one didn't go that far down. It didn't draw down much. This one here did. It did go down quite a bit here. If you look at that, it went down 370 pips. So this one's a little scary, but it did end up profiting. This one here opened and closed. It didn't draw down much. This one did not draw down much at all either. And I'm going to pause this for a second. If you notice how this one opened a trade here, this one opened a trade when the stochastic crossed the 70 going down. And then if you notice, it closed when this candle right here, this little candle there, closed right here when this stochastic line was below the 30. See that? See how that opened and closed? And if you notice here, this one here again was stochastic opening and closing here. Once in a while you'll see the yellow line will cross this purple line and will open a trade. Example, this might be that example right here. Actually, this is it right here. If you see this red cell open here, it's this stochastic crossing up, which is an illogical way to trade, but the optimizer has shown me that the market loves illogical settings. and it went like this. It opened a trade up here, a sell, and boom, it closes right here. And it closed, and the way this closed was when this red line came back and closed over this purple line. So it's pretty sophisticated, it's pretty complicated, but it works. And we'll keep watching this again here, and we'll put the graph on, and you'll see how, look at the equity curve on that. I mean, look at that. And I'll speed it up here just a little bit, and watch it trade. How far does it draw? You can even watch it, how far it draws down, to see if you can handle your emotions in live trading. Could you handle this? I can handle this. But if it went down here, my emotions would be like, oh no, I want to get out of it if it bought here. But it bought here and it closed there. It's perfect. It sold here. It closed here. Perfect. And that's using the stochastic lines, if you notice. This is where it opened on stochastic cross, which is pretty reliable with this set file. And here we go again, open to buy here. So a lot of the trades are not too scary. You're going to get a few that are going to scare you. They're going to go against you. But overall, here's one that was a little scary. It jumped down here, but it ended up bouncing right back up into profit here. Here's one. I love this one. Boom, opens a little bit up and then shoots right down into profit. You can't go wrong there. All right. I'm going to speed this up just a little bit. I think you get the idea. And you'll see what the results are. You're looking at this equity curve. Look at that equity curve going up, shooting up. This is what you want to see too. When you're looking at these, you want to see this going up mostly. And let's take a look at the results. We got $1.5 million right here. We have a 10.42 profit factor. Matches right here. It matches the settings here. Make sure that it matches in the report. And then you got your 88% profitable trades. 88%. 40 wins and only 5 losses. If you have any questions, leave some questions in the comments area of this expert advisor on the market. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to provide this set file for you, and you'll be able to, and the template as well, and you'll be able to optimize your very own pairs. You could put this on any pair, on any daily pair, on any H4 pair. You could even do it on H1 on a 1 hour time frame, but I recommend maybe doing it for the last year of data. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.